Welcome to our roundup of the best brushless cordless drills available right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone who enjoys tackling home improvement projects, a reliable brushless drill can make all the difference. These tools are designed for maximum power, durability, and efficiency while offering freedom from tangled cords. In this video, we'll explore the top brushless cordless drills that stand out for their performance, battery life, build quality, and innovative design. We'll cover each model's key features to help you find the perfect fit for your toolkit. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Works W138 Brushless Impact Drill. This powerful and versatile drill is engineered to deliver impressive torque and control for heavy-duty tasks. With its advanced brushless motor, it offers 50% longer runtime, 25% more power, and double the motor lifespan compared to standard brushed models. The W138 runs smoothly and efficiently, giving you consistent output even under pressure. Thanks to its compact yet durable aluminum gearbox, this drill feels balanced in hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. It's perfect for drilling into wood, metal, or concrete with ease. The two-speed transmission system allows for optimized performance, low speed for precise control, and high speed for faster drilling. In addition, the intelligent torque adjustment system ensures you don't strip screws or damage materials, which is ideal for delicate assembly work. Overall, the Works W138 stands out as a powerful, efficient, and durable choice for anyone needing a professional-grade cordless drill that performs in any environment. Next up is the Sumowai Brushless Electric Drill. This model proves that you don't need to break the bank to get professional quality results. The high-torque brushless motor provides impressive drilling power while maintaining energy efficiency and reducing heat buildup. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from furniture assembly to masonry drilling. The two-speed gearbox lets you easily switch between 0 to 450 revolutions per minute for precise control and 0 to 1,800 revolutions per minute for faster work, allowing flexibility across multiple materials. Sumowai's attention to detail also shows in its 24-position clutch system, which gives you fine torque control and prevents overdriving screws. The lightweight design and soft grip handle ensure comfort during extended use, while the built-in LED light illuminates dark corners for better accuracy. Overall, the Sumowai Brushless Electric Drill is a dependable and budget-friendly powerhouse that offers the perfect balance between performance, comfort, and precision. Next, we have the Makita D171 Brushless Impact Driver. Renowned for its engineering excellence, Makita once again impresses with this compact yet mighty performer. Its 18-volt brushless motor delivers up to 180 Newton-meters of torque, making it ideal for demanding tasks that require speed and power. The D171 features 4 speed modes and 4 assist settings, allowing unmatched control over your drilling and fastening work. Whether you're working on delicate cabinetry or heavy-duty framing, this drill automatically adjusts power to match the task. Its quick shift mode reduces screw cam out and prevents over-tightening, saving both time and material. The dual LED lights eliminate shadows in tight spaces, and the ergonomic rubberized handle minimizes vibration, improving user comfort. Overall, this impact driver delivers professional-grade power, intelligent control, and superior ergonomics, making it one of the most advanced cordless drills on the market today. Next, we have the Patchuo Pro 10mm brushless 2-speed electric drill. This lightweight and compact drill is perfect for users who need precision and control in a small package. Despite its size, the high-efficiency brushless motor provides strong torque output, enabling effortless drilling through wood, metal, or plastic. The two-speed variable control system gives you the flexibility to switch between high-speed drilling and low-speed fastening, catering to different project needs. The LED light and ergonomic anti-slip handle ensure stability and visibility during work, even in tight or dark spaces. Patchuo Pro designed this drill with convenience in mind. Its fast-charging lithium-ion battery delivers long-lasting performance, while the built-in protection circuit prevents overcharging and overheating. Overall, the Patchuo Pro 10mm drill is a fantastic choice for those who want an affordable, portable, and efficient solution without compromising on power or durability. The last one on our list is the DeWalt DCF 860 Brushless Electric Drill. DeWalt has a long-standing reputation for building tools that professionals trust, and the DCF 860 continues that legacy. This drill features a brushless motor with up to 205 Newton-meters of torque, providing the power needed for heavy-duty fastening and drilling. Its compact and lightweight design allows easy maneuverability in tight spaces while maintaining the rugged durability DeWalt is known for. The 3-mode LED lighting system offers bright, shadow-free illumination for better visibility in low-light environments. Users will also appreciate the variable speed trigger that allows precise control over torque and speed, ensuring accuracy for every job. Overall, the DCF 860 is a powerhouse tool that combines strength, precision, and endurance, making it one of the most capable brushless drills available today. So, that wraps up our list of the best brushless cordless drills you can buy. If you found this roundup helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more reviews, and check the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.